Alpilean is the latest weight loss supplement on the market, and it has been receiving rave reviews from those who have tried it. This latest formula contains a proprietary blend of 6 potent alpine ingredients, including L-ornithine, guarana extract, guggul extract, etc., that work to reduce weight distinctively by boosting metabolism, suppressing appetite and blocking fat absorption. Alpilean is a revolutionary, safe weight loss supplement that has been receiving a lot of hype lately. Alpilean is formulated with a proprietary blend of 6 potent alpine ingredients that work to reduce weight distinctly. The most common factor in the obesity epidemic is a substance called adipose tissue. Alpilean's formula works to combat this fat-producing process by balancing hormone levels and giving the body more natural energy. Alpilean is a diet pill that has caught the world's attention and imagination. Recently just released in the last week of October 2022, it is already the talk of the town for weight loss enthusiasts looking for a viable solution to boosting metabolism, burning fat and increasing energy naturally. Due to Alpilean's 6 star-studded alpine region-sourced superfood ingredients and plant-based herbal extracts from around the Himalayas that are combined in clinically proven dosage amounts to help address the primary underlying cause to rapid weight gain and slower fat-burning activity at the cellular level, low inner core body temperature. Alpilean is a newly launched dietary supplement made in the USA designed to deal with the root cause of obesity and overweight. Low core cellular temperature. Since the very first day of its launch, Alpilean has been getting a lot of applause from its customers. The product is said to be 100% natural and side effects free. But are there any adverse effects of using Alpilean? Can it work for you too? What else do you need to know about this new breakthrough for fat loss? Continue reading to discover everything in this detailed Alpilean review. To read important information no one will tell you.